That's the best compliment anybody can give me. Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. This will be a weekend vlog, and I'm super excited about this one because today I am getting not only a facial but a massage today. Let's hear some commotion for that. But I'm getting those today, and I'm just gonna give you a little backstory on how. So right now, side note, right now I'm headed to Walmart because my daughter Kobe, my youngest, she loves yogurt for breakfast, and we ran out yesterday, so I'm going to make a quick store run before she wakes up so we won't have a toddler tantrum on this beautiful cold Saturday morning. It's 30 degrees and I'm out here trying to get some yogurt for a toddler. But no, I would do it time and time again for my baby. But yeah, so I'm going to do that. And then now back to my facial and my massage. So I have a classmate reached out to me. I've been posting my reels here on YouTube, my shorts on YouTube, all of that, so go check them out. Shameless plug. What's going on with my voice? So yeah, I posted all those things, my day-to-day life, day in the life of a stay-at-home mom, just regular stuff. And she reached out to me and told me that she loves the way that I take care of my family. And y'all, that's the best compliment anybody could give me, because my family is my #1 priority. And most of the time, it's a priority over myself. You know what I'm saying? Like, selflessly, I love my family. I love my man. I love my children. And that will never change. But she said that she wanted to give me a chance to love on myself. And I cried, y'all. Real tears, because for her to see that and for her to do that for me, she didn't have to do that. So I'm so grateful for that, and I'm just excited about it. I'm so excited. I've never had a facial or a massage before, so I'm just grateful. That's all I'm gonna say. So I'm gonna take y'all with me too when I get the massage and the facial, so y'all come along. She doesn't mind me filming, so that's a great thing. So now let's just go ahead and head to Walmart to get this yogurt for my little baby. So I will see y'all at Walmart.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running, and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, and you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up.
Okay, y'all, I am headed to my facial and massage appointment. A little bit more put together. I wanted to do a OOTD, but I ran out of time. And it's nothing other than, like, this is the main thing. I got this, it's a cropped hoodie from Fashion Nova. And then I just have on some Amazon leggings and some Yeezys. And then a tank, a cropped tank that I got from Ross. Or, yeah, it was Ross. So yeah, but I'll try to get y'all a full length shot when I get there, maybe, if I have time. So I gotta go about 25 minutes away from where I'm coming from now, so yeah. Okay, y'all, I'm here. I'm a little bit early, so I just wanted to talk to you guys for a second before I went in. I'm so excited about this. Y'all just don't understand. I've never had anything like this done in my life. I'm gonna stop saying that, but this is the first of many. I'm claiming that. Just got done with my facial, and when I say I got a massage too, but she did upper body, and she even massaged my head, my hands, like, y'all. It was amazing, to say the least. This is everything I got from Target. We were almost out of all our laundry stuff, so I had to get that. A few cleaning products we were out of. I found this Scrub Mommy in the clearance aisle, so I grabbed that one. And the girls, I like this combo for the girls: Vaseline, the cocoa butter Vaseline, and the Johnson's baby lotion, the original scent. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hey y'all, so I am back from Target. You probably left off seeing my Target haul, but yeah, I just got back from Target. I'm just putting away the things that I got from Target and unloading the dishwasher. I'm going to cook dinner. Today we're having fried sway, if I'm pronouncing that right, S-W-A-I, fish, and collard greens and cornbread. Maybe mac and cheese if I feel like doing all that, but it may just be the box macaroni and cheese, and then I just doctor it up to make it taste really good. So that'll probably be on the menu, and that's it. And I made a red velvet cake on yesterday, and I just want y'all to see. It's so moist, it's so good. Everything is homemade. It's there. I made the icing from scratch. The cake is from scratch. And I'm so proud of it. So yeah. Well, let me go ahead, finish putting this stuff together. So y'all, I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna sit down and enjoy dinner with my family. I wanna thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next week. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell, and share it. See you next week. Bye. Bye.